Imagine feeding your pigs every day, spending money, but they are still not growing fast. Now, imagine your neighbor using almost the same feed, but his pigs are bigger, healthier, and ready for market faster. So, what is the secret? Is it pig boosters or premix? Many farmers are making a big mistake here, and it is costing them money, time, and profit. In this video, I will break it down so you understand what pig boosters really do, what premix actually is, and which one you should use to grow your pigs faster. Watch this video till the end, because one wrong decision here can slow down your entire farm. Section 1. The problem most farmers face. Let's be honest. Many pig farmers, especially beginners, face this problem. Pigs are eating well. Feed is expensive, but growth is slow. So what do? They go to the agro shop and ask, "Give me something that will make my pigs grow fast." And the seller gives them a booster. Boom! Problem solved. Right? Wrong. Some farmers keep using boosters again and again, but still don't see the results they expect. Why? Because they don't understand the difference between booster and premix. Section 2. What is premix? Very important. Let's start with premix. Premix is one of the most important things in pig feeding. Simple explanation. Premix is a mixture of vitamins and minerals that pigs need every day. Just like humans need nutrients to stay healthy, pigs also need them. Premix contains things like vitamin A for growth and vision, vitamin D for strong bones, vitamin E for immunity, calcium and phosphorus for bones and teeth, iron and zinc for blood and health. Without these nutrients, your pigs may grow slowly, fall sick often, have weak bones, eat but not gain weight. Simple example. Think of premix like this. If your pig feed is banku or rice, then premix is the soup and nutrients that make the food complete. Without premix, your pigs are eating, but not getting full nutrition. Section 3. What are pig boosters? Now let's talk about pig boosters. This is where many farmers get confused. Pig boosters are products designed to increase appetite, improve digestion, speed up growth. They may contain enzymes, probiotics, growth stimulants. Some boosters even help pigs eat more feed, convert feed faster into meat. Simple example. Think of boosters like energy drink or performance enhancer. They don't replace food. They just make the body use food faster. Section 4. The big difference, very clear. Now listen carefully. This is the most important part of this video. Premix is essential, provides nutrients. Keeps pigs healthy, must always be in your feed. Booster is optional, speeds up growth. Works only if feed is already good. Powerful truth. Booster without premix is a waste of money. Let me say it again. If your feed has no premix, boosters will not give you good results. Section 5. Common mistakes farmers make. Let's talk about mistakes that are killing pig farms. Mistake 1. Using boosters only. Some farmers think, if I add booster, my pigs will grow fast. But they forget premix. Result? Fast eating but poor growth. Weak pigs. Mistake 2. Poor feed formula. Even with premix, if your feed is bad, too much bran, not enough protein, your pigs will not grow well. Mistake 3. Overusing boosters. Too much booster can stress the pigs, affect meat quality, waste money. Mistake 4. Copying other farmers blindly. What works for one farmer may not work for you. Always understand what you are doing. Section 6. What you should do: smart farming. If you want success in pig farming, follow this simple formula. Step 1. Start with good feed. Your feed should include maize protein, soybean, fish meal, etc. Step 2. Always add premix. No matter what, never skip premix. It is the foundation of good pig growth. Step 3. Use boosters only when needed. You can use boosters when pigs are growing slowly, during stress periods, to improve finishing weight. But don't depend on them. Golden rule: premix builds the body. Booster pushes the growth. Section 7. Real farm scenario. Let's compare two farmers. Farmer A uses feed without premix, adds booster. Result: pigs eat a lot. Growth is not impressive. Farmer B uses good feed plus premix, adds booster occasionally. Result: healthy pigs, faster growth, better profit. Now tell me, which farmer do you want to be? Section 8. How this affects your profit. This is where it gets serious. If your pigs grow slowly, you spend more on feed. You delay selling, you lose money. But if your pigs grow fast and healthy, you sell earlier. You reduce feed cost. You increase profit. So understanding this one topic can change your entire farm income. Section 9. Quick summary. Let's make it very simple. Premix equals health plus nutrition. Must use. Booster equals speed plus growth. Optional. Don't replace premix with booster. Use both the right way. If you learned something new from this video, don't just watch and go. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another farmer. Because many farmers are wasting money just because they don't understand this simple difference. And if you want me to show you a complete pig feed formula, or the best premix and boosters used in Ghana and other part of the world, comment below. I want formula, and I will make that video for you. See you in the next video, and remember, smart feeding equals fast growth plus more profit.